Welcome back to Auto Review's Garage. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious SUVs ever built, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series the II. This beast redefines what it means to travel in style, power, and pure opulence. If you thought the first Cullinan was the pinnacle of SUV luxury, wait until you see what Rolls-Royce has done with this new generation. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Your support means everything to us. The first thing that grabs your attention is the illuminated Pantheon grille. Yes, it literally lights up. Combine that with L-shaped daytime running lights and 23-inch wheels, the largest ever offered on a Cullinan, and you've got an SUV that commands attention from every angle. It's not just a car. It's a rolling statement of power, status, and elegance. Under the hood, the 6.75-liter, twin-turbocharged V12 engine is still alive and well, delivering silky smooth acceleration. The Black Badge version? Even more power, sharper throttle response, and an exhaust note that reminds you this isn't just about comfort. It's about performance too. You can feel the torque surge even at low revs, making city drives effortless and highway cruising majestic. Inside, things go from luxurious to surreal. The new Spirit infotainment system takes digital craftsmanship to the next level. The dashboard is a beautiful blend of tech and tradition. Rolls-Royce has introduced placed perforation leather, inspired by clouds, with over 107,000 micro holes, perfectly aligned to form unique sky patterns. This isn't interior design, it's interior art. The rear seats? Lounge style, fully reclinable, with a new Starlight headliner that adapts to your mood. There's even a champagne cooler between the seats. Rear passengers practically float in silence, thanks to the next-gen noise cancellation system. This Cullinan isn't just an SUV, it's a sanctuary, a mobile palace built for those who expect nothing but the best. And yet, despite all the grandeur, it's remarkably easy to drive. The four-wheel steering makes tight corners feel like child's play, and the air suspension soaks up potholes like they were never there. Rolls-Royce Cullinan II 2026 is not for everyone. It's for those who demand the extraordinary. If you're chasing excellence and want your presence to be felt, without saying a word, this is the SUV that does it for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Auto Review's Garage for more mind-blowing luxury car content.